Hello students, I am Rajeshwar, your geography teacher. Today we will discuss chapter 5 types of agriculture. First of all, we will discuss about the word agriculture. The word agriculture derived from the Latin language. Two words of Latin language. Ager means field, cultura means to cultivate. Thus we can say agriculture refers to the cultivation of a field. Agriculture include a wide range of activity like growing of crops, rearing of animals, poultry farming and the rearing of fish in a pond. Agriculture has been practiced for thousands of years by humans and even to this day it remains an important occupation for the human being, and the most important product of agriculture is food grain. And in most of the countries in Asia and Africa, more than 50% of the people are engaged in agriculture, or we can say agriculture provide the employment to the 50% of the population. There are many type of agriculture in the world. Few are there. Like first of all we will discuss about the subsistence farming. As the name suggests that subsistence farmer do this agriculture for meeting the need of their family, or we can say it is practiced by the farmer, those who are not so much educated, those who have not a big amount of land or not so much of money, so they do this agriculture to meet their need. In this agriculture farmer do the agriculture on a small field, or we can say this is done on small piece of land. Family members help the farmer as a labor. Not so much of fertilizers or pesticides are used because farmers are not so much highly qualified, they do not have so much money, so they do the agriculture on the basis of traditional methods. They generally grow rice and vegetable, and they use fertilizers such as the cow dung and animal dropping, because these are also known as natural fertilizers. They depend on monsoon rain for water. It means that we can say they do not have so much of means of irrigation. Why? Because they do not have sufficient amount of money to purchase these equipments. As the land holdings are small, farmers are not able to meet the need of their family. Sometimes they have to do the other activities to meet the need. Next is intensive farming. As the name suggests, that intensive means the land remain under the farming throughout the year. In this farming, farmer tries to get the maximum yield by using the modern methods, and in this type of agriculture he put lot of capital, so we can call it expensive agriculture. Farmer use HYV seeds, we can call them high yielding variety seeds. Chemical fertilizers and pesticides are needed to kill the pest, and he employ plenty of labor because farmer is using so much of techniques, scientific equipments, HYV seed. So per hectare production is high. Irrigation is done by the different means of irrigation, or we can say the artificial means of irrigation are used by the farmer. Sometimes farmer use the crop rotation method, multiple cropping and double cropping to increase the need and also to increase the fertility of the soil. These methods play important role to maintain the fertility of the soil, and also irrigation play important role. Chemical fertilizers give high yielding variety, but they harm the productivity of the soil in a long run. In this farming, fields are small as they are there in subsistence, but there is lot of difference in these two, that farmers invest high amount of capital in intensive because they have, and in this subsistence farmers are poor. This is the main difference between these two, and this type of intensive farming is practiced in India, Indian subcontinent, China, Japan, Korea. In India, Indian coastal areas, valley of Himalayan region, plains of Brahmaputra valley in Assam are the important areas where this type of farming is practiced by the farmers.